tiny one. There.
Garrett, what is that?
Oh.
Garrett, what are you laying in?
A blanket.
Oh, what's the name of your new bed? I wish we'd caught on camera his initial reaction because he was very excited. And he wants to lay in his bed and have us turn the lights off and leave the room. So far, so good.
Alright, anything else?
Hold on, I'm taking a video.
Yeah, big one!
No crab.
No crib.
No crab, that's a big one. What's a zipper?
No zipper.
We don't need a zipper anymore, sweetie.
No more crib. Big boy bed.
Turn the lights off.
You see yourself in the mirror?
Turn the lights off.
Okay, let Daddy hang your aquarium first. What?
Where's Puppy, Gary? Do you think Puppy likes your new bed?
Oh. There's my fear. Stay like this. The hang like this. Hey. I want a big hole. Let's a big hole.
Watch I guess you get anything like this off this.
Yeah.
How many pillows do you have?
So,